Still recording.
It should be. It's probably a nice little flip and tuck and roll. So that's why
You don't put an
I don't put my
camera and
GoPro
race
on it. That wire has been getting me. I came across that wire and it didn't look like I was literally that high. So that's why I go to throw up and throw around it, and well, it caught me again. And just like I knew, so I know what to do now. I need to put a strap around the GoPro in the mount, because I'm glad it did it there and not further away, which I pretty much knew the GoPro was laying right there on the ground. I pretty much saw everything in my goggles, and I was DVRing it anyway, so I would have went back and watched it. But there you go, the drone. So that's what caused me to, when I hit the wire, I compensated, but when it does this, it's kind of like when you're boxing, he rings that bell, yo done. But I did pick it up and bring it back, so that's good. I don't think I lost any motor clips. No, I'm good. So that's not hard. That's